Good evening, StreamYard and YouTube fans. This is Philip Reynolds, and after all the Week 6 games have been played, um, I was going to give you the standings for Week 6 and the Week 7 games. After televising the Portland, North Carolina game, which was the game of the week per se, I tallied up the standings, and this is your standings after Week 6. Portland has 16 points. North Carolina has 12 points. San Diego and LA have 10 points. Seattle and Louisville have 9 points. Kansas City, Chicago, and Washington have 7 points. Houston has 6 points. Orlando has 4 points. And New York has 3. And you'll notice that Houston is no longer a basement dweller. And that's because they have 1 win under their belt, and their goal differential is -2. Orlando's is -5, and New York's is -15. Yeah. New York has only had 2 goals. 2 goals so far this season, and 17 against. Yes, that is horrific by any stretch of the means. Your games for Week 7 are Louisville versus Chicago, Houston versus Portland. So basically, Houston, the team that just moved up to the 10 spot, is now facing the number 1 team. What a way to cap off your first victory, and that being playing the number 1 team in the league. LA plays Washington. North Carolina plays Seattle. New York plays Orlando. And Kansas City plays San Diego. If the playoffs were to happen today, Portland and North Carolina would have your byes. Your 3, San Diego would be playing Louisville in the 3-6 matchup, and LA would be playing Seattle in the 4-5 matchup. I also found out that you're in the playoffs. It's kind of like the way MLS was last season, and that is one and done. And the other thing I found out is your 3-6 winner plays the 1 winner, and your 4-5 plays the number 2 seed. And then, of course, those winners will play each other in the finals. Or I should say the semifinals, and then from there. But you get the idea. And we're not even. Everybody hasn't played everybody yet. You got still 4 more games before that happens, and it is, uh, you know, your top seeded team has won 5, and your low seeded teams have won 1. So it's still anybody's ball game here, and one win, which gives you 3 points, or 1 draw makes a huge difference. Like you see, Houston, who was in last in 12th, moved up 2 spots just because they won their first game, and because they have 3 draws that took them from 3 points to 6 points. Big difference. Well, that is all I have for you at this time. You all take care. Have a good evening, and I hope you have good dice rolls, guys.